Okay, so welcome to our day 3 of Kazakhstan tour. Today we are going to Chanian Karen and Carrion.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Chariot Cannon and Kolsai Lake. And we have today taken a different car for ourselves, and we are not going with all the people in our group. So our journey begins from here. The time is now around 8:32, and it will take 3 hours to reach there. Right, Sejal?
Maybe 3.5 or something.
Maybe 3.5 hours. Okay, so that's it. Let's see what we do in this whole day. Keep watching.
A small supermarket which is along with this petrol pump or gas station. We just stopped here for grabbing some drinking
This is
water.
our car, and he's the one who will be taking us to both the places today. Here everyone is there. Say namaste.
Namaste.
Very good guy. Please follow him.
Yeah,
When
he's
we will
a
be in Kazakhstan,
awesome
call
guy.
him.
Yeah.
We'll
Here the cars, they have this side driving and this side driving both ways.
क्या बोला तूने?
Day before yesterday we were in a cab where we had right hand side driving, and here in this car we have left hand side driving. This is unique, right?
कौन सीट का डाले जाता है ये फ्लावर डाले जाता है खुद ही अलग से
Go. See kids behind. What you guys are doing? One is jumping like a monkey, another is sleeping like a monkey. Both monkeys are behind. It's not taking. See how beautiful it is.
করা আছে।
So we have reached Charian Canyon. Now we will be boarding another car and we'll be going there to explore this canyon. Huh? Dog is looking like a wolf. We have come here and now we are going to washroom. From here it looks like as if you're in Mars. Such a beautiful view. They will drop us here. From there we have to take another car, I guess. But before that people are taking photos and all. Yeah, I know. It's there.
Why?
These are the place where you can stay for a night or two if you want. That's the mountain range that is following us from Almaty, and this is that canyon. I'll zoom and show. People are walking also, so we are not sure whether to walk and go or to take a car.
You can go there walking or take some.
Walking is better.
But next way, I recommend go down by steps.
Daddy, donut नहीं लाया?
Shuttle.
Beautiful place. वहाँ पे माउंटेन है ना, उसका ठंडा सेजल को यहाँ तक आ रहा है. ने बहुत अच्छी बात बोली. हम कैसे चल रहे हैं सेजल? घोड़े जैसे चल रहे हैं. ढाक ढाक आवाज आ रहा है हमारे चलने का आवाज. Yeah, we are walking like horse. 2 of our horses are here. Hello horses. We're walking from there, but we'll be going down and we'll be taking shuttle and then we'll go down. Huh? So we are here and this is
0.5
where
kilometer.
we'll be going. So we are taking shuttle, right? We'll get shuttle. Area there's no shuttle available right now. All got busy taking tourists there. And oh monkeys, this is not a snow mountain. Kayan, you're wearing white. Do whatever. मैं इतना मना नहीं कर सकती. I can't stop you so many times.
ও যাবে না বলছে।
Okay, guys, be careful. Now, you can go inside.
This shuttle truck. It's okay, no problem. It's okay, Kayan. Don't show me all these things. So many people boarding this. What do you call it? Shuttle. You will call this a truck, I guess. Let's go. How is the experience, Sejal? मेरे हाथ फोन गिर गया तो गया.
And my leg is outside. Look.
Show me.
No better don't put your
second like largest canyon after this one in USA. That's a Grand Canyon, and now this one is the Chariot Canyon. And when you come here during August, this place looks like just Mars because it's summer that time, and this rocks like it will be like totally shiny red. Wow! Isn't it amazing walking? We are here.
Be careful, guys, be careful.
We are about to hit you.
Be careful, very dangerous.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
Kazakhstan.
Ah, okay.
Be careful, be careful.
What are you studying? School or college?
School, university.
University? Ah, okay. Ronaldo? Yes, I am.
I have a 2,000
I have 3,000 followers.
Oh my god.
Nice meeting you, vlogger. What's your channel's name?
I will take photo with you.
Ah, sure. What's your channel's name?
Oh my god.
Channel's?
My name is
Huh.
Muhammad. YouTube channel Muhammad.
Muhammad.
Yes.
Channel's name is Muhammad.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my god, be careful, be careful.
Yippee! Okay, daddies, how is the experience?
Very good.
Very good. Kiddos, how is the experience? Sui, mommy, how is the experience? Yeah, इसमें आने का भी experience मस्त है नहीं? See, walking you can come, but if you are boring this and coming, that is that
Big history, yes?
yeah,
History.
yeah, actually. No, this is geography. This is not history.
Available this card coming back.
Yes, of course.
Wow.
This is my village.
Thank you.
Now say hello to my followers.
Hello. From Kazakhstan.
Wow. And they are students.
You
Thank
give some
you.
message in Kazakh language.
Yeah.
Yes, of course. Salam. Hoş geldiniz.
Oh, Shavash.
In Kazakhstan.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. हाथ टूट जाएगा. Oh my god, Kayan. Kayan.
आपको कुछ होगा ना डॉक्टर भी नहीं मिलेगा अभी I'm standing up, Bo. I'm standing up.
You are coming for the first time? You are coming here first time?
Which side will you carry us?
Black Canyon, Black Canyon.
Is this place you are coming first time?
Chariot Canyon. You can see this black rocks along with those red ones behind. And here is a small river. You can see it's a narrow river. It's so pretty, this place. My god. It has a different vibe altogether. This is for them a car and they are riding it. So how beautiful this place is. We took many pictures, many videos. You'll get to see those. And it's a must visit place. And if you're coming, do take that truck or buggy or whatever you call it. Walking is also fun, but if you're coming in that, you will have more fun. That I am sure about. My review about Chariot Canyon is that it's a beautiful place here. Don't miss it. You won't if you're coming through a travel agent, and if you're coming alone also, you won't miss it. I know, because whenever you talk with anybody to plan your travel trips, or you Google and try to find out which spot to visit, this is the must visit place. And do take this buggy that we took. It will give you a different experience. And if you're coming in August, I got to know from people that it exactly looked like Mars. And it's a beautiful place, fresh air. I am like running out of breath because I had to carry so many stairs. That shows I'm unhealthy, not fit, but that's okay. So next we are going to, which lake we are going? So okay, next we are going to Kolsai Lake. So
Exactly, it's like Switzerland.
it's better than Switzerland.
at Black Canyon, and this one we have got because of Sejal, because she requested and they couldn't say no to her. हाँ आजा, रुक जा, मैं नीचे जाती हूँ. हाँ. मतलब ये जो साउंड है ना, can you hear some sound coming in the background? The sound of this water. It is so beautiful. Where we have come, babies? That video. It's like horsehair. It's known as Dalagash. That's the name of this village also. Such beautiful view. Right now we are at Kolsai Lake. This is the surrounding of Kolsai Lake. The sun is still there, so it's very pleasant. So I'll be showing you around now. And we are bargaining for a horse ride. The kids want to do. Here the bargain is going on. Let's see. That is the lake. It's surrounded by various colors of mountain right now, because this mountain is not having snow. Those far away mountains you can see little snow, because this is not the season where you find full snow.
It's already frozen. See, can you see?
Yeah, it's frozen, right? It's already half is frozen and half is not, right?
How it's possible? See?
हाँ.
Half already एकदम exactly.
Actually, how is it possible? God knows. But देखने लायक तो है सेजल, मतलब. नीचे. They have taken horses. 3 horses are taking them to Kolsai Lake. Me and Sejal will be walking and going to Kolsai Lake. He said his butt was paining, so he got down in the middle. So now me, Sejal, Kayan, we are walking towards the lake, and you can see those 3. They are like there. They are taking some other route. They will be 1 hour. They will be on the horse. My God. मैं इतने देर घोड़े पे नहीं बैठ सकती. By God. Half of the lake is frozen. I don't know how is it possible. Half of the lake is frozen and half is not. This is quite strange. Half of it is frozen and half there is water. God knows. But it is so beautiful, isn't it? This is an easy way they have made. There is proper stairs using which you can go down. So near this lake. ये फ्रोजन है क्या सेजल की वो झाग है?
नहीं झाग नहीं है,
फ्रोजन ही है. वो है हमारे सूरज मामा. And ये है हमारा lake. This is our Kolsai lake. And now we are planning to. We came from this bridge. We were there. There. From there we came like this. Now we are planning to go to this mountain. So after visiting Kolsai Lake, we got down from those stairs I told you. Now we got this minibus. Sejal gave a good idea to board it. Though we don't have money, they are sweet enough to allow us, because we will reach there and then we will pay them. That's the Kolsai Lake. And now we are going back. Something happened. Me and Sejal from down we came up. There, that was the lake. From there we came up using that buggy or that van. But now after coming here, we are realizing we didn't have money. We told them that after we reach, we will give them money. But our husband will be here. We'll take it from the person who was driving our car. But here we are not getting the person who was driving our car. Our husband are not yet here. So she again went down, and she will be coming again up with her bag. My God, what chaos! We should have kept some money with us. This is a big mistake we did.
Yeah, that's
You should have. Yeah, you should have. You should keep money with you always when you are in a foreign land. Yeah. Papa, we got so scared. We thought something happened with you guys. My God, here they are. Everybody is here.
We went to I controlled all the.
And you know what Kayan said? That nobody could have abducted them because they knows to fight. He will rescue them. That's what he said.
It was fun exploring the various landscape in Kazakhstan. We have just one more day left, and that's all for today. Thank you.